To say I am honored by this recognition is an understatement. The Reporters Committee, led by Bruce Brown and Steve Adler, is made effective each day with staff and advisors who are simply heroes. And to be in the company of these amazing and other awardees, and indeed all who are assembled here, truly expands my hopes during this critical time for journalism, freedom of the press, constitutional democracy, and truth-telling. I've tried to advocate, with some wins and some losses, for journalists against governmental threats to news gathering, reporting, and editorializing. But concentrated private power and algorithmic sorting can threaten free speech and even shared reality. History shows how government can actually be part of the solution through laws structuring media businesses and through subsidies. The constitutional freedom of the press presupposes its existence and its viability. Thank you, Judy Woodruff, for training your powerful spotlight recently in the PBS NewsHour on the crisis in local news and the vibrant efforts by individuals and organizations to turn things around. And thank you to the MacArthur Foundation, where I have the great good fortune to work with John Palfrey, Kathy Im, and other talented staff and board members, alongside 21 other groups that so far who have forged the Press Forward initiative. This investment in high quality and diverse local journalism is not just about money for trusted news gathering, reporting, and distribution, though money helps. It's also about sharing tools and financial models and advancing policies like halting behavior by social media companies that appropriate news content without paying and harm users. Perhaps most importantly, Press Forward seeks to recruit support for journalism as fundamental as support for healthcare or education. This award thus bolsters those who seek to strengthen news reporting, and I share this recognition with them and with my family, including my sisters, film critic Nell, library lawyer Mary, brother-in-law David, who lawyers for artists, my writer-actor daughter, law professor husband Joe, and above all, my parents, Joe Minow, who suggested the title for my book, Saving the News, and Newt Minow, who worked so hard to realize the promise of media and democracy. As Andrew Young once said, there can be no democracy without truth. Thank you.